What's up everyone, it's Diana again and welcome back for another vlog here in our YouTube channel. And in today's video, we are going to feature a watch store here in Avenida, City of Manila, Rizal Avenue. Hey there, watch enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Diane and today we're diving into one of the most iconic brands in the world of horology, Seiko. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just getting into the world of watches, Seiko has something for everyone. From their legendary automatic movement to their cutting-edge design, there's always something worth exploring. So in today's vlog, I'm going to take you through Seiko watches, break down its features, and give you my thoughts on why these pieces deserves a spot in your collection. And of course, before we get started, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below so you will get updated whenever I upload new vlog. If you are passionate about watches too, let's keep the conversation going. Since I started doing a vlog about watches, I was really intrigued and very interested in Seiko. So I want to know what Seiko is. Seiko is a brand with a rich history, and they offer a wide variety of watches that appeals to different tastes, styles, and budgets. Here are some of their most popular models and collections, each known for their distinct qualities. Let's start with Seiko 5. This is one of the most iconic and affordable lines. The Seiko 5 is known for its automatic movement, durability, and everyday wearable. Its key features are automatic movement, self-winding, day-date complication, 100-meter water resistance, various dial designs and case finishes. This is perfect for watch collectors looking for an affordable, reliable automatic can be worn every day. Second is Seiko Presage. A step up in refinement, the Seiko Presage collection is known for its elegance, traditional craftsmanship, and often features beautiful dial designs with high level of details. Key features of Seiko Presage are mechanical movement, often Seiko's in-house movement, fine details, dial, sometimes features enamel lacquer or sunburst finishes, more formal design with dress watch aesthetic. Third is Seiko Diverse watches. Example of this is Seiko Diverse Watch SKX007. Seiko's dive watches are legendary for their robust build, high quality movement, and ability to withstand extreme conditions. They're not only built for underwater exploration but also incredibly popular among collectors and enthusiasts. Key features of Seiko Diverse watches are ISO certified, 200-meter or higher water resistance, rotating bezel for tracking dive time, large easy-to-read dials with luminous markers, iconic models like Seiko Diverse Watch SKX007 or Samurai, perfect for anyone who enjoys diving sports or simply love durability, bold-looking watches. Fourth is Seiko Astron. Seiko Astron is a series represents the pinnacle of their innovation, combining GPS technology and solar power to create a watch that adjusts to time zones around the world and never needs a battery charge. Key features are GPS timekeeping, adjust to time zones worldwide, solar-powered movement, high-tech sleek design, extremely accurate, perfect for frequently travelers, tech enthusiasts, and those who want set it and forget it timepiece that always keep perfect time. Fifth is Seiko Solar. The Seiko Solar collection is powered by light, meaning they don't need to change the battery as long as they are exposed to light regularly. Key features are solar-powered movement, eco-friendly design, sleek versatile styles that can be worn every day, perfect for those who want a low-maintenance, eco-conscious watch. Guys, it's Diana and welcome back for another vlog here in my YouTube channel. And in today's video, andito tayo sa Avenida Rizal Avenue, Manila. So may iko-content tayo today, isang watch store na hindi pa natin nabivisit. So yun yung ating content today. Kaya handa na ba kayong discover ulit ang Recto Avenida? So of course, nakikita nyo malinis naman, no? Talagang malinis dito. meron tayong tatlong store na pupuntahan. Number 1 is yung Stellax, and then yung, I forgot the name, but it was Time Bureau. Pati yung isa pa. Meron din dito yung surplus. Ayan. Siguro mga one time pupuntahan natin yan. Kung magkaroon pa tayo ng oras. So medyo gloomy yung araw ngayon, no? Grabe yung araw ngayon. Hindi gloomy masyado. Papunta tayo doon guys sa Stellax Emporium. Yan. Avenida. My God, parang uulan talaga ngayon, no? Parang ulan ngayon na malakas. Parang ulan ng malakas ngayon. So this is my 4th time visiting some of the watches here, yung mga watch store. So it's been a while since I visited the Avenida watch stores. Basta naririnig nyo naman sobrang ingay Avenida. So may ginagawang constructions sa mga lugar dito. Equity Corporation, hotels. Ang Avenida ay famous din siya sa mga ang tawag dito, optical shop, optical center, ganyan. Diba ito yung red light district dito sa Manila? Parang less na yung mga nakikita ko. Parang less na yung mga street vendors. Pero marami pa dito yung nagmamassage shop. Diba? Actually, malapit na tayo. Malapit na tayo sa pupuntahan natin. Yung Watch Emporium. Para naman may content tayo. Well, this is my second content. Pero nauna na, pero na-upload na yun guys. I think that was 2 days ago. Nag-content din ako dito, pero hindi ko kasi masyado to nalibot kasi that time, parang limited lang yung time ko. So at least ngayon medyo may oras tayo. Ayan. So ito yung una, Pink Central Jewelry Emporium. Ayan yung una natin pupuntahan. Ito yung marami nagpapamassage dito. Yung mga nila dito. Yan, mga watch. So, itong Seiko, ito GMT Seiko 5, 35,000 na rin pesos. Pero itong katabi, 31, yung orange. Yung orange, 31,000. Ano din yan, Seiko 5. Automatic GMT. So, yung orange yung dial, that's 31,000. Tapos itong isa naman, 35,100. Yan. Yung green dial, tapos green din yung bezel niya. Iniikot, may day-date din yan. Tapos ito nag-iisa Seiko Solar. Tapos meron din dito sa baba. Ito mga Seiko 5 din po guys. Tingnan din natin makita yung mga price. Ayun. Yan. Yan. Para meron kayong makikita. Kita is 16,000 naman tong isa. Yung may parang, I don't know, pink ba yan? Yung bezel, saka yung dial. Tapos meron yung isa, parang kulay khaki. Yan o. Ay, di nyo pala makita. So, itong isa, 16,000. So, mali naman natin, 16,000 talaga siya. Yan, 16,000 lang yan, guys. Seiko 5. Original. Ito. Mga classic Seiko. Yan din. Yan din dito, oh.
Seiko 37,000. Itong GMG. Ano? Ito Paddy. Seiko Paddy. Hindi ko makita yung price. Pero itong isa, ayan. Yung may red and blue yung bezel. That's 37,000. Ang gaganda, no? Pag may underbells na tayo, bibili tayo ng ganyan. Tapos itong isa, 39,000 pesos. 39 yan. Itong isa naman, 23,000. 23,000. Tapos dun sa taas, ayun naman, 11,478. Mga Seiko 5 Sport. Kaganda. Tapos yung isa, ano price? Ito 13. Yan. 13,000. Itong isa naman, 36. Ayan, 36,000. Ano yung price niya? So, ito yung Seiko nila dito. Ito G-Shock. 8,995. Tapos, itong kabila, ayan, 10,000. 10 ba? 8,995. Ito, hindi ko masyadong kilala yung brand. 9,000. Casio. Casio watch. 9,800. Kung isa naman 9,800. Yan. Ito guys, mga Casio po. Casio watches, 6,770. Ito, 5,995. Tama. Tapos itong isa, 7,995. Tapos ito, yung 14,610. Casio na G. Diba? Ito din. Itong isa, 12. Ayan guys, 12,995. Pag halimbawa may magustuhan kayo, pwede naman akong bumili dito, magbalik ako dito. Diba? Pwede naman ako bumalik dito. Ito pa, may mga Seiko din dito guys. So, itong isa, 36,238. Mga Seiko 5, automatic. Kabila naman, 23,618. Seiko 5 automatic. Tapos itong isa naman is Seiko SSK 0191 575,669. Yan po yung model unit itong Seiko. 36,000. And 36,000. Pero hindi dito sa baba. Casio. Ito naman guys, mga Casio naman po dito. So, meron 2,995. Meron din 2,995. Ito 2,995. Diba? Magaganda talaga dito yung mga ano nila. So, lipat tayo sa kabila. Ito naman is, I think, Stellax tayo guys. Parang uulan na dito. Oh my God. Parang jujula na siya. So, yung Stellax kasi nandun pa siya sa dulo. Meron dito, oh. Ayan. Ito is, ito, Stellax, guys. So, Andre Christie meron pa din. Tsaka Tissot watch. Ito sa baba yung mga Tissot watch nila. Ayan. So sa Tissot watch, hindi ko siya masyado makita guys. Yung price. Pero kailangan ito. Itong isa, 18,000. Ayan, yung nakikita nyo yung black. Black yung strap, black din yung dial niya. Yung bezel may white. So that's 18,000. Not sure dun sa isa. Ito naman, itong nakikita nyo nakababa. Ano siya? Nakababa, 67,364. Tapos itong Tissot watch, 49,700. Medyo pricey pag Tissot, no? Tapos ito naman, 29,300. So hindi masyado natin makita yung iba doon. Yan. Ganda na. Mas meron din dito sa baba, Festina. Yan. So, 4,995. Ito is 4,995. Festina. Ito din, 4,995 din. Tapos may Tissot watch dito din. Ayun sa dulo. Yung nasa dulo, hindi ko makita yung price. Ayan o, yung nasa dulo. Yung iba kasi dito, Festina lang siya. Ayan. Tapos doon sa kabila, Alba naman. Ayan. Yung mga Tissot watch. Pero in fairness, kahit sabihin no, medyo pricey siya, ay bumibili talaga. Diba? Ito naman yung mga Seiko watch dito. Orient watch. Orient store. Marami pa ditong Andre Christine. Mga watches. 7,208 to 4,255. Yun yung price. So wala pang presyo. Ito 41,000. 41,000. Sa baba. Diba? Ito 3,900. Yan, mga 3,900. Tobacco din. Ito 10,000. Tapos ito naman 8,500. Baka gusto nyo magpabili sa akin, pwede naman. Kapaship na lang natin, guys. Yan. Madami pa yan. Sa dulo. Ito, ang ganda dito. 10,500. Pwede nyo ako, may gusto kayo. Pwede nyo naman i-screenshot. Ayan. Tapos, bibiling ko para sa inyo. Ito Santa Barbara. 4,400. Nakita yung price. Dito din, may Alba watch nito. Seiko din. Ayan o, mga Seiko Prospects. Diver Solar. Yan guys, mga Seiko. Yung mga Panda, mga Prospects yan guys. Diba? Hindi natin masyado makita yung price eh. Mga Seiko Prospects. Kita nyo. Ito din Seiko. Ito Sapphire Crystal.
And then 23,000 Seiko SSC 773P1. Yan yung model name. And then itong isang nakahila naman na 31,875 na Seiko Paddy. So Seiko SN J035PI. And then meron din ditong Seiko din na 21,250. So it's a Seiko SSC 7777T1. Mga sapphire Seiko.